How to share someone's story to your own story on Facebook. This tutorial shows you how to repost a friend's story directly to yours. First, open the Facebook app on your device. After that, tap on the story you want to share from the Stories bar at the top. From there, once the story opens, tap on the share icon at the bottom right. At this point, a menu will pop up with a few sharing options. In the next step, tap on Share to Your Story. Following this, this opens the story editor with the original content ready to post. Once done, add any text, stickers, or drawings if you'd like before posting. From here, tap Share to Story once you're happy with how it looks. At this stage, the original creator's name or profile will be credited automatically on the shared story. Keep in mind, some stories may not have this share option available, depending on the original poster's privacy settings for their story. Finally, exit back to your home feed once your shared story has been posted successfully. And that's it. If this guide helped you share someone's story to your own story on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.